Hi friends, do you know we use present simple tense to talk about past and future tense? If not, then watch this video till the very end and you will learn lots of new things about present simple tense. So let's get started. So the first point is in present simple tense we use the base form of the verb. Verb number 1 like play, eat, go, talk. Have you noticed the third person he, she, it? For he, she, it or singular person we add s, es or is at the end of the verb. Now the question comes here. How do we know where to add s, es or ies? The answer is for most of the verbs we add s. So let's learn where to add es or ies. If the verb ends with s, double s, sh, ch, x, o or z, then we add es at the end of the verb. And if the verb ends with consonant and then y, so we need to remove y and add ies. For example, fly. L is a consonant and then y. So here we need to remove y and add ies. So it becomes flies. Now let's take another example. Play. Here can we remove y and add ies? No. Why? Because A is a vowel, not consonant. So it becomes plays. Plays. For example, I play cricket, he plays cricket. You go to the market, she goes to the market. I cry, it cries. These are positive sentences. What about negative and questions? Don't worry, we'll get to that. Let's keep going. Where we use present simple tense. We use present simple tense to describe facts, things that never change. For example, birds fly, apples grow on trees. We are humans. Here is a tip. We use present simple tense to talk about something which is true not just at this moment but also in the past and in the future. What other things that are not often change are habits, routines, and permanent situation. For example, I always put milk in my tea. That is my habit. He goes to the gym every day. It's his routine. I work as a teacher. It's my permanent job. Before we continue, let's talk about negative and question sentences. Present simple tense have be verbs and other verbs. Let's start with be verbs. Be verbs is used to express identity or describe something. For example, I am a teacher. Shreya is my neighbor. They are happy. Is, am, are, all are be verbs. To form the negative, add not after be. Simple, right? I am a teacher. I am not a teacher. Shreya is my neighbor. Shreya is not my neighbor. They are happy. They are not happy. And other verbs are here. Now in this, we cannot just add not. We need more. Do, does. Not plus base verb. For example, I work from home. I do not work from home. She sings very well. She does not sing very well. See, even in the third person, he, she, it, we keep the base verb. So in the negative sentences, we don't add s, es, or is, no matter what the subject is. And we add does if the subject is he, she, it, or singular, and do if the subject is I, you, we, they, or plural. Example, Swati knows how to make cake. Swati is singular, so we use does. Swati does not know how to make cake. Swati does not knows, no. Swati does not know. Don't add s in the negative sentences. Now look at the question sentences. The rule is be plus subject. Are you a teacher? Is Swati your neighbor? Am I next in line? For other verbs, the rule is do, does plus subject plus base verb. Do you know the answer? Does she work from home? Does she works? Mhm. Also, in the question sentences, we don't add s, es, or is no matter what the subject is. This tense also be used in stative verbs or non-action verbs. It means those verbs that do not need any physical action. For example, now think about the verb like believe and have. I believe in you. I have a blue pen. Do these take any action? No. Here we can't say I'm believing in you or I'm having a blue pen. Here only the present simple tense is possible. So these are called stative verbs. It includes verb of sensing, hear, see, smell, verb of feeling, like, love, hate, verb of thinking, know, realize, remember, verb of speaking, promise, admit, advise. Let's look at some examples. I have a car. We remember our childhood. He knows the answer. It smells so strange. You seem a bit tired today. I love this jacket. In these, we use the present simple tense. This is because they do not need any physical action. Next, we can also use the present simple tense to talk about future when it is fixed scheduled event. Fixed means you cannot change it and scheduled means there is a schedule. What type of things have a schedule? Transportation, stores opening and closing time, movie theaters, lessons, appointments. For example, our train leaves at 9 tomorrow. I can go to the bank in the morning. It opens at 10. Our movie is at 9 p.m. What time does the meeting start? My doctor's appointment is in September. You cannot change these times. Yes, you can change your doctor's appointment, but you cannot change a doctor's schedule. Next, imagine you are telling a story to your friend. What verb form would you use? You should use the past, right? After all, you are telling a story, something which happened in the past. But it's not always true. You can use the present simple tense here. If you really want to pull the listeners or readers into the moment, you can use present simple tense. For example, so I see this guy who looks exactly like Ajay Devgan and I go up to walk to him. But then I trip and throw my drink all over him. He gives me this look like I'm a complete idiot and just walks away. Important point. Don't use the present simple tense if you're just talking about past or giving information. Similarly, we use present simple tense in newspaper headlines, even for things which happened in the past. For example, Prime Minister resigns. Scientists discover new element. Technology company launches innovative AI product. Next, we also use the present simple tense in commentary. Commentary means describing something as it is happening, usually on TV or on the radio. For example, sport matches. Sport matches have commentators who describe the match to listeners or viewers. Commentators use the present simple tense to talk about shorter action that are happening at that moment. For example, he passes, he shoots, he hits the post. He serves but coolly makes a great return. The prince waits at the altar while the princess walks slowly up the aisle. So, for shorter actions that are happening at that moment, commentators use the present simple tense. Now, guys, stop this video and take this quiz. Okay, so here are the correct answers. Now, guys, here are some incorrect present simple sentences. Find the mistakes and write down the correct answers in the comment section. So, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And, guys, if you have any questions, then please write in the comment section. I would love to answer that. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.